Live footage that's coming to us from Berlin at the Brandenburg Gate, where 1 million revellers are expected there to see in the new year with a massive party. Let's listen in. Dramatic display of fireworks there in Germany, Berlin, over the Brandenburg Gate. They bill this as the largest open-air party in the world, saying that visitors travel from all over the world to be part of this historic event. You can see the Brandenburg Gate there, the centrepiece for the fireworks behind it, but this is at the end of what they call the Party Mile, which stretches for over a mile behind the gate and has all the dance floors and bars and stalls for the people to enjoy. So you can imagine that's absolutely packed out this evening. Over 2,000 fireworks being used in this display. Now the main band on the stage, I believe, are Scorpions, although my knowledge of 80s rock isn't perhaps as good as it should be, but they were definitely the headliners tonight there in Berlin. And sort of this fireworks display goes on for about 10 minutes. It's quite a long display and really dramatic with the backdrop of the Brandenburg Gate in front of it. Well, it's less than an hour to go until 2012 arrives here in the UK. Let's keep half an eye across Berlin, but talk to Rhiannon Mills, who's live with the crowds gathering in central London. We've also got our Scotland correspondent, James Matthews, enjoying the Hogmanay party in Edinburgh for us. Rhiannon, to you first. Just an hour to go now until midnight down there on the Thames. Are people guarding their spots now?
Well, yeah, I think the sound of the music here is almost competing with the sound of those fireworks in Germany. Things are really ramping up now. The crowds have been building over the last few hours. Some people have been here for the last 7 hours. Unfortunately, the last hour or so it has started raining, but it hasn't dampened spirits here. People have got their umbrellas out. People are kind of clubbing together, trying to keep warm,